Now, if you've been in KDP for more than 5 minutes, you already know this. The niche that you pick matters more than almost anything else. You can have the best looking book in the world, and if you pick the wrong niche, it's just gonna sit there. And that's the frustrating part, because most people don't fail at KDP because they're lazy. They fail because they're stuck competing in the same crowded niches everyone else is chasing. Think coloring books, mandalas, cute animals, the same stuff over and over again. So in this video, I want to show you big potential KDP coloring book ideas no one's talking about. Now, I've spent a lot of time digging through Amazon, looking at what's selling, what's quietly working, and what most people are completely ignoring. And what I found is something interesting, because some of the best opportunities right now aren't actually in the flashy, oversaturated niches. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through a handful of high potential coloring book ideas that have real demand, have way less competition, and can give you a much better chance of getting traction, especially if you're new or struggling to make sales. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, the first big potential KDP coloring book idea no one's talking about is going to be this chibi anime coloring book. Now we see total results 1,727, so not super competitive here, with a niche score from Titans Quick View of 54, Titans Pro Analysis, demand is a 7, opportunity is a 9. Now, the more general term chibi coloring book can be a little bit competitive. That's why I focused on the chibi anime coloring book. And when we look through the books here, here's a chibi anime girls coloring book ranked at 89,000. We can see this one making a few bucks per month. This one right here, K-pop coloring book, ranked at 26,000. And moving on down, we see this one, Chibi Boho Girls, not really anime, but still ranking well, 246,000. This one right here, Cute Girls, 201,000. And here's another one right here, Anime Chibi Coloring Book, ranked at 157,000. So obviously there is some big potential here. Now, if we take a look at this example, this is called K-pop coloring book. Now, this one's a little bit of an offshoot from anime chibi coloring book, but this one priced at $9.99 and not very long, 91 pages overall. So about 45 coloring pages. And if we go ahead and take a look at the sample, here are some interiors on the back cover. So 4 pages right here, and it looks pretty good. Now, I couldn't really tell you if this was AI generated or was created by hand, but it actually looks pretty good. So I'm gonna lean towards that this was created by hand, but obviously AI has evolved so much that you could actually create this type if you know how to engineer prompts that can actually produce these types of pages. Now, this book with the bestsellers rank 26,583 is showing 30-day royalties estimated from Titans Quick View around $600 to almost $1,000 per month. So let's go ahead and take a look at the chibi K-pop coloring book niche. We see total results here way lower, 221, with a niche score of 59, demand 7, opportunity is a 9. And some books here, K-pop coloring book, 153,000. This K-pop coloring book ranked at 6,000, so a very high performing book. Here's a K-pop Valentine coloring book, 7,000 BSR. This one right here, 300,000 BSR, 40,000 BSR, 26,000 BSR. So this is one of those niches that has really big potential. So if you're interested, I'd suggest to start working on one of these coloring books. Now, the next big potential KDP coloring book idea no one is talking about is going to be this Highland Cows coloring book. We see total results 1,225, so not too competitive here. Niche score from Titans Quick View 60, Titans Pro Analysis, demand is a 7, opportunity is a 9. And when we look at these books, so this first row, look at these BSRs, 39,000, royalties up here, $400 to $600 per month. This BSR 77,000, this BSR 82,000, this one 83,000, this one 66,000. So first row, all high performing books. Second row, BSR's dropped a little bit, but still selling 200,000, 72,000, 132,000. 239,000, and even more books selling very well. So a very popular niche, very in high demand, but obviously not too much competition here compared to the oversaturated niches. So if we go ahead and take a look at this example, this one's titled Highland Cow Coloring Book, 50 beautiful Scottish cows coloring pages for adults and kids. So this one, 101 pages, still not too long, $9.99 is the price point. And this one is that square looking book. So dimensions 8.5 by 8.5 inches. Now going through the sample, looking at the cover, for me, looks like it was created by AI, but that's absolutely okay. Here is the first page of the interior. Looks very good, but honestly, I can tell that it was created by AI. Second page. Once again, once you start knowing what AI generated pages look like, you can kind of distinguish, but overall looks pretty good. Some more pages on the back cover. But when we look at the rating, 4.7 out of 5, 82%, a 5-star. Obviously, the interiors of this book is performing pretty well, so that's really all that matters. Now, when we look at the bestsellers rank, 77,084, that's good for 30-day royalties, estimated around $200 to $300 per month. Now, the next big potential KDP coloring book idea no one is talking about is going to be this bold and easy minimalist coloring book. Now, this is going to be part of that bold and easy type of book. And so if you're familiar with that, this is going to be right up your alley. This one's just going to be a minimalist style coloring book. Total results 273, and we see a niche score here of 57 from Titan's Quick View. When we go looking through some of these books, the rankings are kind of everywhere here, but you're gonna get books here that are ranking very well. Here's one, 42,000. Here's another one ranked at 380. Another one ranked at 9,188. This one ranked at 60,000. This one 105,000, 26,000, 281,000. So a lot of examples here of books doing well. Definitely a niche that's going to have some big potential here, because if we look at this example, this one's titled Minimal Art, coloring book for adults, teens, bold and easy designs for relaxation with minimalist shapes, landscapes, clean lines, abstract art. Now this book says it has 40 cute and easy designs, also that square 8.5 by 8.5 inch size. This one's priced at $9.99 and only 98 pages. So if you notice a pattern with the pricing, $9.99 is what I generally price my books at. Now looking at the sample here, this is obviously done very, very well. These are hand-drawn images, but if you watch my previous videos, you know that AI has come so far that if you know how to write your prompts, you can actually get the results that you want. You can actually create results very, very similar to this without actually having to hand draw that. If you want to get started with some easy prompts that you can put into ChatGPT or Gemini and Nano Banana, you can go ahead and check the link down below. It's basically going to help you build the entire book for you so that you don't have to do any of the manual work. Now, this book has a bestsellers rank of 9,188. So 30-day royalties is estimated at around $1,400 to over $2,000 per month. Now here's a niche that you probably haven't heard of yet. This one is called the Scandinavian Folk Art Coloring Book. Now this one has very big potential. If we look at the total results, 328, so not very competitive. And we see the niche score from Titan's Quick View, 60, Titan's Pro Analysis, demand is a 5, opportunity is an 8. And going through the books here, rankings are going to be up and down, but you're going to get some books that are ranking very, very well. So here's one ranked 300,000. Scrolling down, you have another book here ranked at 200,000. This one right here ranked at 143,000. So we see that there's definitely demand for this type of book, this type of niche, but obviously the competition is so low here. This is going to be one of those under the radar, newer type of niches. And so if you can create a coloring book here that customers will really, really love, you could probably take a lot of these books sales that you see here on the first page. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this example. This one's Scandinavian Folk Art 3, so I'm assuming part of a series. Coloring book, 35 whimsical Nordic designs. Now this one, not very long, 72 pages. Like it says in the listing, 35 designs or 35 coloring pages, priced at $9.99. Now looking at the sample, here is one of the pages of the interior. Now could you make this with AI? Yeah, you probably could. You could also use generators to make this type of page. Obviously, this could also be hand drawn. Looks all very good, very intricate. And looking at the bestsellers rank, 143,000. This book just recently released, and 30-day royalties already estimated at around $100 to $200 per month for a brand new book. Now here's another big potential KDP coloring book idea no one is talking about, and this is the stoner coloring book. Now I've had a lot of comments talking about this niche, so if you want me to create a stoner coloring book and go in depth with this niche, let me know by leaving a comment down below. But right here we see total results just over 1,000, so not too competitive, but look at that average bestsellers rank of 399,000, so that's the average rank on the first page here of these books. Niche score, pretty high, 68. Times Pro analysis, demand is a 7, opportunity is a 9. And looking at these books, you have these two books right here ranked at 7,000 and 4,000, doing very, very well, titled 90s Cartoon Stoner Coloring Book, and then this one, Cartoon Stoner Coloring Book. Now, as you can see with the cover, it's actually using cartoons that we know, that we probably grew up watching. Now, I would stay away from these types of characters because more than likely they're gonna have trademarks, but obviously there's a huge demand for this type of coloring book. This one right here, this is a better looking book. This one ranking at 18,412. You can see right here, royalties $1,400 to over $2,000 per month. We have another one with these cartoon characters ranked at 72,000. Another 90s cartoon one, 12,000 BSR. So these types do really well. But I was looking through this niche, and obviously there's going to be ones here still doing well, not cartoon like. This one right here ranked at 25,000. This one, Stoner Girl, ranked at 43,000. Here's another one, 19,000. This one, 130,000. So a lot of potential here, very in high demand. 37,000, 62,000, 75,000, 51,000, 29,000. As you can see, as I keep going down the page, the rankings here still doing very, very well, even to the end of the first page. Definitely a lot of potential here, big potential. And this is one that you really want to focus on if you want to start making some sales. Now, if we check out this example, this is called Stoner Cutie. So 40 trippy animal characters, psychedelic themed designs. This one's priced at $9.99. 40 unique designs, so 90 pages overall. Once again, coloring books don't have to be extremely lengthy. And your customers on Amazon are willing to pay a premium for these types of books. As you can see, pretty much every book that I showed you today was priced at $9.99. Now looking at the sample here, this one, very good interior, just your typical bold and easy type of design, but this works very well with customers. Now, some pages of the interior. So for me, this actually looks like it was hand drawn, looks very good. But if you want me to experiment with AI and try to create these types of coloring pages, just let me know by commenting down below and I'll do a full video on this niche. Now, the bestsellers rank 29,575, so we see 30-day royalties estimated from $500 to over $800 per month. This is definitely going to be one of those big potential KDP coloring book niches. Now, if you want to actually start making these kinds of coloring books without doing everything the hard way, I'm going to leave the link in the description to the coloring book prompt pack that I use. It basically helps you generate the interiors, the structure, the book cover, so you're not doing all the manual work from scratch. It's not required. You can absolutely do this yourself, but if you want to shortcut the process and move a lot faster, it can be a really helpful tool. Also, if you need guidance with the whole KDP process, I'll leave my link to my KDP royalty roadmap down below. It's completely free and it'll walk you through the exact process of getting your first low and medium content book published the right way. If this video helped you see what's possible, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. That being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.